Hi everyone, and thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So I'm going to show you what you can do with all that leftover turkey. Stay tuned. So here's my leftover turkey, which is enough for one dinner for the 5 of us. I have about 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, half of a large onion that I've chopped up, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and I have a little piece of ginger that I'm going to grate. These are all the spices I'll be using: curry powder, pink Himalayan salt, cumin, red pepper flakes, masala garam, and turmeric. I have my large pan on low heat and I'm adding some olive oil to it. Now I'm adding the onions and crushed tomatoes, and I'm going to mix this up a little bit, then put on the lid to make this simmer just for a couple of minutes. I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of water here. And now I'm adding the garlic. And in goes the ginger, and then I'm going to give everything a good stir. I'm going to put this on medium heat and cover for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of coconut milk, which goes so well with curry. And I'm just going to give this a good stir. And now it's time for the spices. If you want to add different spices or different portions of the spices that I'm using, that's fine too. It's really up to you and your taste. So I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And now I'm adding all that leftover turkey and mixing it into all of this delicious curry sauce. I have a good amount of turkey here, so I'm going to add a bit more water just to make sure that the turkey stays moist and the sauce spreads really well over everything. This is a good time to taste the sauce to see if you need anything else. So I need a little more salt, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of cumin as well. A lot of times the breast meat is what's left over, so this sauce is perfect. It's just what the dry parts of that turkey needs. I'm going to cover this and put it on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. And this dish is done. This would go great with some rice or potatoes or even some flatbread. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cooking.